Hey, John.
We got the bro woke up in a new Bugatti.
So, today we have a special guest joining us. It's Dave. He's
I got him a Bugatti.
Yeah, he got him a Bugatti and his birthday.
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up
So
in.
yeah, I'm John from the John Your Boy channel. Oh yeah, by the way, go subscribe. So
Yeah, and the best, and he'll only drive his Bugatti if everybody goes subscribe to him and me. That's the only way.
Dave will drive his Bugatti.
Yeah.
Alright,
So if you
guys
guys
don't like and subscribe,
So I also got him a jet, but he doesn't like the jet.
So today
We're not calling him fat or anything.
Yeah. Today we're gonna take Dave to the end of the road.
No, he's not going on the road. John, no. You want him to die?
He's not gonna get hit or anything.
Let's run.
Here,
If you didn't subscribe like we just said, I'm gonna run down. And before I hit the end, let's see if you can like and subscribe. But pausing the video, that's cheating. No pausing the video, that's cheating. 3, 2, 1, go. Did you do it? I'm gonna zoom in on Dave. What happened? Dave fell out? Dave was flying to catch his car spun out. Oh no, that's bad. Yeah, we got it under control. That's the only good thing. Get it? John, I think I should end the video because I'm up to 20%.
Okay, go ahead. That's it for today's video. I know it's a short one, but
We'll make a part 2
yeah, part 2 coming soon. So yeah.
because my phone is almost dead. And yes, I know it's weird, but I have to record on camera and then post the video because yeah, it's weird. Like if any other YouTubers do that. And yes, we're both in sock feet. Don't know. We're weird. Dave, say goodbye. John. Dave said bye. You say bye.
Bye guys. This is Dave.
Go subscribe.
Subscribe to me or else I will literally find where you live.
And subscribe to me.
Or he will hunt you down. Peace, losers.
See ya.
You guys aren't actually losers. I just said that for a chat. So anyway.
See ya.
Adios.